So on today's Motley, I am going to turn the rotors on this because there was some warpage going on. And I'm just gonna go ahead and take these brake pads out. I'm just gonna groove them with this 4-inch die grinder here. I'm gonna put that right the fuck back on there. Dust screws! Break in on the new surface. Should be fine, because it's an Astro van, and nobody cares. Today's Motley is brought to you by Pontiac, and probably this Ford Focus over here, and this Dodge Dakota. So we'll get started, see how far we get, and exactly what the hell is wrong with this Pontiac Aztek. These are fun to work on, I tell you what. 2004 GMC Envoy, and this has been sitting here for about a year. The window motor went bad. Some pieces got lost. Try to figure out how to put this back together. So apparently this door swings open too. And now it's stuck swinging open because I can't get it to go into a tailgate anymore. But I have to make a bracket to hold this regulator against the motor, so I've marked that out, and there's the clearance for the backside of the motor here. It sticks out a little bit, so I gotta have the bracket sit flush against here, but I also need to bolt the motor to the bracket that's stuck to this through the bracket that's back here. There's motor with the 3 holes. I gotta match that up. And so I got a piece of brass because I don't have anything else at the moment, which is pretty thick. And then I'm going to transfer my lines over and cut this out of the center here. I'm just going to lay that over, scratch through it, and then cut that out to clear it, and then continue manufacturing that. Gearing up for some kind of disaster. Get this reassembled, install everything properly, and leave some leads out so that I can hotwire the motor. Now the fucking tailgate won't open at all, and these wires that I ran to the motor don't do nothing but short out either way, and that's directly to the motor. So something's wrong with the motor windings. Even though it was just rebuilt. But now I have to try to roll the window up and then reassemble everything with the window up. But I can't force the motor, so I gotta take that back out. I made a nice bracket. It's nice and clean. But now I gotta take it all apart again and wind up the window manually and then reassemble everything. That's what it's supposed to look like when it's put back together. I hot-wired the motor, but found out that there was a problem with the relay in the motor assembly, and they're discontinued. There it is, and there it goes. There goes. A horrible fucking design. Seatbelts get in the way and everything. There. Closing a tailgate the wrong way. Everything about this thing is a pain in the ass. Wrong with 2. Oh. Should still work. Apparently so. Same manual. Tell me. Window position needs to be reset. No. That ain't happening.